Hello everyone. Do you know that around 100 doctors have died due to the COVID crisis? This is just a number we know and there may be many others. A scientist discovers new things for the well-being of our lives. An architect shapes our life whereas a doctor saves life. Don't you think saving lives is a little more important than those? Literally, a person should be alive to do any work. And this basic need is fulfilled by a doctor. But these days, many people are being insensitive towards them, disrespecting them, pelting stones at them, and also beating them up at the hospital premises itself to cure their personal anger. Do you think it is right? Do you think this is fair? Just take 5 minutes off and think it for yourself. And these days, I also hear people saying that doctors are looting money at private setup, government hospitals don't have adequate facilities. Let us please understand this. According to a survey, in Telangana, out of 3.5 crore people, 2.75 crore people are below the poverty line. And also, in a fully developed metropolitan city like Hyderabad, 23% people are below the poverty line. And if you take government hospitals, there are hardly any. If you take at each government hospital, if there are 10 doctors, just think how could they deal with 2.75 crore people who come for even basic things like cough, fever, and also there are not adequate facilities given by the government and not doctors. If you take private setup, 80 to 90% of the private hospitals are run by the MBAs and not doctors. 80 to 90% are run by MBAs. And some people say, consultation fees is 2,000, 4,000, 6,000. Not even a single penny goes to a doctor. Everything goes to the management directly and doctors just get paid. They have a fixed salary. And you simply blame doctors for everything. Just imagine wearing a tight mask, a face shield, and doing an operation straight for 8 to 10 hours without food and water. And in that condition, a doctor should be mentally fit, physically fit, should be able to think spontaneously because in fraction of seconds, a patient may die. And after doing this much work, again people blame doctors. So be clear that doctors are not looting money, the management is looting money. Yes, your aggression is right, but on the wrong person. Please pressurize government to set up new hospitals and give better facilities, and also pressurize the management to cut down the prices. But just simply don't say doctors are looting money. This is not good. And also, I would like to say that in any field, if you take any field, not all 100% people are hardworking and pure. Yes, there are doctors who give wrong treatment, who cheat people, who take money. But for a group of people doing wrong, you can't blame the whole society or whole community of doctors. Please understand this. I suppose many of us know this. But my question is, why? Why is a doctor not respected like a soldier at the line of duty? Why is a doctor's death considered normal and not given any respect or compensation, whereas a soldier gets utmost respect at the burial? This is not wrong, but please make that right. They also save people's life. Why is a doctor's death not honored? A doctor working in a COVID ward wears the same duty as a soldier at the border. I don't know how many of you are aware. Many of them are at their 20s and not seen much of their life, yet they are ready to sacrifice their lives for you or your family. A soldier and a doctor, both of them enter the field knowing that it is a death well. Still, do they deserve disrespect? Especially during these times, I am seeing many stories how their bodies are being thrown away or buried. This really saddens my heart. don't they deserve a little more respect? Even they are someone's mother, father, brother, sister, husband or wife. Please give them some respect and show them some gratitude. They are ready to do anything for you. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe.